Hi guys, in this class day 5 we will learn about function in the JavaScript. This lecture or video is about just outline that what topic we will cover in the day 5. Main heading is the function, basics of function I will discuss in this day 5. You will be clear, you will be able to work with function in the JavaScript. So first of all I will share a lecture what is function. With example you will be clear about definition of function. Practically you will be able to create a function and you will be able to call that function. Where parameter and arguments, about parameter arguments I will provide a concept difference between parameter and arguments, and how you can pass parameter to function, and how you can use parameter or argument inside the function. Different types of argument variable in the function, and I will also provide a problem 1 related to function, and I also provide solution for that problem. Problem 2, I will also provide a solution for that problem 2. So these are different topics I will discuss in the day 5, and you will be clear about this topic. Don't miss any lecture because every lecture have their own importance. I will also provide example exercise related to function for your clearing a concept. Any you face any problem, any issue while learning with us, you can discuss with me without any hesitation. Thank you.